Everyone has their favorite memories of Clarkson.
I think the thing that stands out most about the educational experience here at Clarkson is I felt prepared for the real world when I got my first job. There was a lot of experiential learning when I was here and really like trying to prepare us to be professionals. You go get a job, the experiences here prepare you to learn how to do that job. So in terms of opening doors professionally for me, Clarkson actually got me my first job. There was a company on Long Island that had requested resumes, and I got the job. Favorite memories from Clarkson, things like walking to class when it's 30 below zero to downtown, right? Clarkson Hall was where electrical engineering was when I was here. And then, I'd be remiss if I didn't say going to hockey games, right? That was part of life here when I was here. We went 2 hours early to wait in line just to get in the doors so we could get our particular seats right behind the glass.